Hello, we're going to take notes 11 now on percent error. Before we get into the meat of the notes, I wanted to spend a minute reviewing all the different types of percents that we've worked on in the last couple weeks, just so that you can try to keep them organized. So we learned about tax and tip and markup. And with those problems, we use the general percent proportion, percent over 100 equals part over whole. And then you have to remember you add the part and the whole together because that gives you the total price. So you find how much you pay in tax and then you add it to the price to find the total bill. Or you find how much you're going to pay in tip to the restaurant and then you add it on to the price of the food to find the total bill. Then we worked on discount and sale. And so you use the same proportion. The whole, again, is the original price. But at the end, you subtract the part and the whole. You do the whole minus the part to find out what the sale price is, because the part ends up being the money off of the item, because the percent is the percent off. And our units kind of have to match within the proportion. So if this is the percent off, the part becomes the money off. Then on Monday and Tuesday of this week, we practiced percent of change. And so that's like calculating how much something changes by. So if we were supposed to get 5 inches of snow, that was the original guess, but then the weathermen changed it to be 10 inches of snow, then you could calculate that change, the percent change. So you do percent over 100 equals change over the original. So today we're going to add one new one, and it's percent error. Percent error has its own separate proportion. It kind of falls within the other ones. It has percent over 100, percent over 100. Like you can notice there's a theme there. That's because that's how you make a percent into a fraction. You put the percent out of 100 and it makes it a fraction. But now it's the amount we were wrong over the correct amount. So when we're finding the error, we're going to be making guesses. How much, how many, we're going to be guessing a number. The correct amount, the right answer, goes on the bottom, and how much we were off by goes on the top. And just like percent change, you're going to be subtracting again to find how much you are wrong by. So we're going to do 2 example problems, and then these notes will be finished. And I'm going to be making guesses. I have no idea what the answers are to these 2 questions right now. So how many people are in this picture? Here's a picture. I'm in my sister-in-law's childhood bedroom. Here's a picture of her in her swim team when they were in high school. They went to the state championships. So I'm going to guess how many people are in this picture, and I'm going to guess 34. So my guess is 34 people. Now the actual number, I'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 32. I was pretty close. So the actual amount was 32. So to find the percent that I'm wrong, or my percent error, I'm going to use that proportion. Percent over 100 equals the number I was wrong by over the correct amount. So the correct amount is 32. That's how many there actually were. And then you subtract. I guessed 34. There were actually 32. So I was wrong by 2 people. So again, to find the number you were wrong, well, you had to subtract 34, my guess, minus 32, the right amount. I was wrong by 2 people. So we are going to cross multiply and divide to find the percent. 2 times 100 divided by 32 gives me 6.25%. So I was wrong by 6.25%. My next question is, how many grapes can I get in one handful? My guess is 7. Let's see how many